clean up, what a mess. Clean up, yes, oh yes. We can make our playroom. Wow, look at this mess. Let's clean it up together. Look at this car. Vroom, vroom. That is so cool. Let's roll it. There you go. Careful now. Perfect. Now put the spire right here. We did it! Yay, teamwork! Toys away. Time to clean the room today. Put the books upon the shelf.
Books on shelf with 3D cartoon animation style.
Yes, we did it! We did it! All ourselves. Clean up, everybody! Let's clean up! 1, 2, 3, let's go! Tidy up time. 1, 2, 3. Hooray! Put it all away!
And ball with 3D cartoon animation style.
Let's keep our room nice for all.